Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make an event planning website. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix. And the reason why I recommend Wix is because it is beginner friendly. You can get started for completely free, and it is also easy to use. So you're going to go onto wix.com. Once on Wix.com, I want you to create an account using your email address. After you have created an account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. Once you have tapped on Create New Site, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And now all you have to do from here, you can simply select Wix. After you have selected Wix, you're going to see this pop up, and I want you to tap on Set Up Without AI. After you have selected Set Up Without AI, you're going to tap on the search bar, and from here we are going to simply type in Event Planning, and you can see right there Event Planner. You're going to select that. Then you will tap on Next. After you have tapped on Next, you are going to give it a few seconds while the dashboard is being prepared. Once the dashboard has been prepared, I will be showing you what to do next. And by the way, as I said earlier, Wix is very easy to use as a complete beginner. So you can see the dashboard right here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the different tools on the left-hand column. So the first thing you're going to do is enter your business name. So let's say, for example, I would like to call this Jason's Event. Then from here, you could enter your business address. After entering your business address, you are going to tap on Next in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on Next, from here, you'll be able to set up your opening hours. So let's say, for example, your business will be open for 4 days out of the week. So let's say from Monday to Thursday. So you could select Monday to Thursday. Then from here, you can select the opening hours. So let's say, for example, our business will be open from 8 a.m. So we are going to be selecting 8 a.m. and we'll open our business until 5 p.m. So you'll select 5 p.m. right there. Then tap on Next once more. After you have done that, you can see some preloaded events or services that Wix recommends for event planners. So for example, if you'd like to offer design consultation, you can simply tick that box. Catered couples picnic, you can tick that box also. And you can scroll down and you can select the different services that you will be offering with your business. And if you don't see a service that you would like to offer, you can tap on Create New Service. And from here, you could enter the service name, and you can also enter the appointment style, and you can enter whether it is a paid session or free. Then you would simply tap on Save. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Next. Then from here, you can enter your staff member's name and email address if you want. After doing that, we'll tap on Next once more. Then you'll select whether you're going to be accepting payments online and if you'll be accepting payments in person. You can also select whether you'd like to sell digital and physical products. You could tick this box. Then you're going to tap on Next once more. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on the dashboard, what I want you to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here, you can select Booking Services. After selecting Booking Services, you will see all of the services that you offer. Now, what I want you to do is you're going to select a particular service, or you can select each service by simply tapping on the pencil where you see Edit. And the reason why we'll be editing our services is we will be adding our prices. So all you will need to do is simply scroll down. You can select the duration, whether it is an hour or longer or shorter. You can change it right there. And also, you're going to be scrolling down and from here you can change the images and so on. And right where you see price and payment, you can select that, and you're going to be entering the price that you would like to offer the service for. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once it has been saved, you can now go over to the booking calendar, and this is where you'll be able to view the amount of schedules, the booking that you have. So the amount of clients that have booked and service, you will be able to see it right there. Now, by scrolling down, you will also be able to set up your gift card if you would like to offer a gift card. So you could select that in the future and you could set it up. And I want you to select billing and payments. Then you are going to select payments. Keep in mind, to accept payments on your Wix website, you will need to upgrade to their paid plan. But to set up the payment methods, you'll need to tap on Manage Payment Methods. Once you have tapped on Manage Payment Methods, from here, depending on the country that you had selected to create your website in, for example, I'm located physically in Jamaica, but if I would like to change my website location, I can do that. All I would need to do is simply tap on Change right here. After selecting Change, let's say for example, I were to type in United States and select United States, then tap on Choose. By doing that, you will see that I'm now offered numerous payment options compared to when it was located in Jamaica. So I will now be able to accept payments via Wix payment plan. I can also scroll down, tap on See More payment options, and from here I'll be able to offer my clients AAA, Afterpay, Klarna, and numerous other options, as you can see right there. All you'll need to do is tap on Connect, and that's it. And as I said earlier, you will need to upgrade to one of their paid plans, but it will definitely be worth it. Once you're finished, you're going to go back over to the left hand menu option, tap on Setup. After you have selected Setup, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on Design Site. After selecting Design Site, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. Once you have selected Pick a Template, you will be redirected to this page, and you can see numerous beautiful templates that you can choose from. And I normally pick one of the 2 or 3 top recommended templates. So let's say for example this one, all I would need to do is tap on Edit, then give it a few seconds while the AI composes my website in the background. Once here, you have a few options. You could tap on the box right here and you could type in some information that you would like to provide the Wix AI with. Then you could tap on Generate Site Text and they will generate content that will be added to your website. So that is a good plus when it comes on to creating content for your website. You could definitely try that. After you have done that, you could tap on the plus right here in the top right hand corner. And now this is how your website looks at the moment. So you can see this is how it looks, and I do believe it looks stunning. If you would like to make any changes, all you have to do is hover over the particular section that you would like to edit. So for example, you can edit this section by simply hovering over it and tapping right there, and you will see the option Set Up Login Bar. You could tap there, you can select the icon that you would like to use. You can also edit the wording and so on. If you would like to change the name right here, you can simply tap on text, then tap on edit text. From there, you could change the wording if you want. You can also change the font size, style, and color. It is quite easy to edit a Wix website. You can hover over this section also, tap on quick edit once more, and you are going to see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column. From here you can change the title if you want. If you would like to change the image, you can do that by simply tapping on Change. Then you could tap on Image. After selecting Image, you are going to see a pop-up window appear. Then you could tap on Upload Media, and you could upload the image that you would like to use. Or you could tap on the search bar here, type in the type of image that you want, and you will be provided with a copyright-free image that you can use. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap right there to close out. And if you would like to add anything to your website that you don't see at the moment, all you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus that says add elements. From here, you will see the different elements that you can add, whether it be a text, image, button, anything at all, video, music, anything at all. You can find it right here, and you can simply drag and place it on your website. Also, to view all the pages on your website, you'll go to the top left hand corner, tap right where you see home on my screen. Then from there, you can see all the pages. So for example, if we would like to view a service page, we'll simply tap on services. Then from there, you can see how the services page looks. So this is it at the moment, and you can see it does look stunning. And again, if you would like to organize or edit it, you can simply hover over the section, tap on quick edit, and from there you can make changes if you want. If you would like to change a particular image or text, you can quickly do that in the right hand column. It is quite easy to edit your website. And if it is a case that you would like to delete a page, you tap on the top left hand corner once more, then select manage pages. After you have selected manage pages, you can see the different pages. To add a page, you'll tap on add page at the bottom of the page or at the top right here. To remove or hide a page, all you'll need to do once you have selected the page, so let's say for example private parties, I would like to remove this service. I'll simply tap on the three dots, then you can choose to delete it or you can choose to hide the page, as you can see right there. So you have two options. You can also select the booking pages right here, and you'll be able to see the booking pages, and you'll be able to make changes to the pages. So you can select each page and you'll be able to edit each page, as you can see right there. So you can select each page. So this is how this page look, which is the thank you page. Once a customer makes a purchase, this is what they'll be led to. And you can simply tap on quick edit if you would like to make any changes to this page, as you can see right here. Now once finished, you'll tap on save, then you'll select publish in the top right hand corner. So let's say for example I were to tap on preview so we can see how it looks at the moment. So let's go back to the home page and you will be able to see how it looks. As you can see right here, this is how my event planning website looks at the moment. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.